we're here at the Estates at Lafayette Square in Mobile, Alabama. We're just down the street from so many amazing shops, restaurants, parks, and everything else Mobile has to offer. This community features some amazing amenities such as 5 swimming pools, a fitness center, and a clubhouse. Today, we'll be looking at a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhouse. Let's go take a look.
Come on in. All units feature large living spaces. Just off the living room, you'll find a half bathroom, the fully equipped kitchen, the dining room, and a hidden storage area. Out back, there's a fenced-in yard with a patio and a storage closet. Going back inside, upstairs, you'll find a linen closet, a full bathroom, and 3 spacious bedrooms. Each room has a ceiling fan and a large closet. Inside the clubhouse, you'll find the leasing offices, a secure package room, a modern fitness center, and a yoga room with a Peloton and an Echelon mirror. Outside, you'll find 5 swimming pools, one being this resort-style pool, a multi-sport court, and a 2-acre pet park. Click the link below to book your tour today.